Lights are an essential part of making your scene. Without them, everything would be dark. So let's quickly go over what kind of light options you might have. For starters, we already have a light in our default scene right next to our cube here. But as of right now, we can't see the light actually doing anything. That's because we're still in solid or preview mode. To see how our light is affecting our meshes and shaders, simply go to rendered mode. You can do that in the top right hand corner by clicking the rightmost sphere or using the Z hotkey pie menu. As you can see, we now have our cube being lit up by our light. Our current default light is a point light and will emit light in all directions with a falloff. To change our light type, simply go to the light settings in the Properties editor. Aside from point lights, we also have sun, spot, and area lights. Each one of these does something slightly different. The sun object emits global light from the specified vector direction, regardless of where the light object is located. Spotlights work pretty much how you might expect a spotlight to look, and area lights are just like point lights but biased towards a specific direction, so rotation will matter. There are also additional settings for each one you can play with, but this is the basic idea behind each light object type. Now in Cycles, you can also use emission shaders to light up a scene. If you simply give an object an emission shader, it will cast light on its environment as well. However, this does not work in Eevee.